Hello everyone, welcome back to GK Today, and today we'll be discussing most important MCQs from your important days and themes and all type of events from past 60 days, okay? So these are the 14 categories in which we have divided all the important news and events. Already we have covered till here, and today it is your 9th lecture in which we'll be studying about important days and events or themes, okay? So now without wasting any further time, let's get started. Question number 1. When is the National Voluntary Blood Donation Day observed? So this day is celebrated on 1st of October every year across the country, and it aims to raise awareness about blood donation and promote voluntary blood donation in the country. The theme for this year was Give Blood and Keep the World Beating. So basically on this day, various public and private organizations hold blood donation camps and awareness activities. Actually, our country needs around 1.45 crore units of blood every year, and the collection of blood is done through 3,500 licensed blood banks across the country. Question number 2. When is the International Translation Day celebrated every year? So every year, 30th of September is celebrated as the International Translation Day, and this day is chosen to remember the Bible translator Saint Jerome, who is considered as the father of translators. Also, a resolution in this regard was passed by United Nations General Assembly in the year 2017 in order to recognize the role played by the language professionals in connecting nations and promoting peace. Question number 3. When is the International Day of Non-Violence observed every year? Extremely easy question. The birth anniversary of India's father of nation, Mahatma Gandhi, is observed as the International Day of Non-Violence every year on 2nd of October. So the United Nations General Assembly, in a resolution adopted in 2007, established this day as an occasion to spread the message of non-violence through education and public awareness. So basically in the year 2004, the Iranian Nobel laureate Shirin Ebadi proposed the idea of commemoration. Question number 4. When is the World Animal Day observed every year? So this day is observed every year on 4th of October. Why? To address the plight of animals and begin work towards their protection both in the wild and domestic world. So this was started globally during a World Protection Organization conference which was held in Florence, Italy in the year 1931. Question number 5. What is the theme of the World Space Week 2021? So this week was declared by United Nations since the year 1999 because in 1957 the first human-made Earth satellite, Sputnik, was launched on 4th of October. Also in the year 1967, an agreement was signed on 4th of October to ensure the peaceful use of outer space. And the theme for World Space Week 2021 is Women in Space. So basically this theme aims to create more awareness to the issues of gender diversity in the field of space sector, and also to identify the obstacles that women face when entering the space-related careers. Question number 6. When is the Mental Health Awareness Campaign Week observed by the Union Ministry of Health and Family Welfare? So the Union Ministry of Health and Family Welfare is observing 5th of October to 10th of October 2021 as Mental Health Awareness Campaign Week. And it is a part of World Mental Health Day that is celebrated on 10th of October. So this week is observed to raise awareness about mental health and mobilize support in this regard. Also as a part of this initiative, the Union Health Minister Mansukh Mandavia also released the UNICEF's State of the World's Children report. Okay. Question number 7. When is the World Habitat Day observed every year? So every year, first Monday of October is observed by the United Nations as World Habitat Day. Why? To stress on the basic right of all to adequate shelter and to highlight the state of our habitats. Okay. So this year it was observed on 4th of October, and the theme for this year is accelerating urban action for a carbon free world. Okay. Question number 8. What is the theme for this year's World Teachers Day? So every year 5th of October is celebrated as the World Teachers Day by UNESCO. Do remember that it is not 5th of September. 5th of September is celebrated as Teachers Day in India only. So this was introduced in the year 1994 to recognize the teachers' contributions to shape the world. And this year theme was Teachers at the Heart of Education Recovery. And this theme basically stresses the support which teachers require to make education recovery from COVID disruption. Fine. Question number 9. When is the Indian Air Force Day celebrated every year? So every year on 8th of October, the country celebrates Indian Air Force Day, and this year we celebrated 89th anniversary of this particular day. So basically the day commemorates the establishment of Indian Air Force on the same day in the year 1932. Also it aims to raise awareness about the Indian Air Force, also known as Bharatiya Vayu Sena. Question number 11. What is the theme of the World Post Day 2021? This is celebrated every year on 9th of October to mark the anniversary of establishment of Universal Postal Union in the year 1874. So India has been a member of the Universal Postal Union since 1876, and the theme for this year is Innovate to Recover. So basically the objective of this day is to create awareness about the role of postal sector in the lives of people. Okay. Question number 12. When is the World Mental Health Day observed? Just I have told you that every year 10th of October is celebrated as World Mental Health Day by WHO, and this day is celebrated to raise awareness of mental health issues and mobilize support in this regard. So this year theme was Mental Health Care for All. Let's make it a reality. Fine. Question number 13. With regard to the Indian Civil Services, 9th of October is celebrated as. So 9th of October every year is observed in India as Indian Foreign Services Day, because in the year 1946 on this particular day the Indian Foreign Service was established for the purpose of India's diplomatic and commercial representation in overseas nation. So this day is being observed since the year 2011 to recognize the important role played by its IFS officers. Question number 14. When is the International Day of the Girl Child observed across the world? So this day is observed annually on 11th of October to highlight the gender equality impacts. So in 2011, the United Nations General Assembly declared 11th of October as the International Day of the Girl Child to recognize the challenges that are faced by the girls. Also this year, the United Nations requests the world to bridge the gender digital divide that exists in diverse skills and jobs. Also it has highlighted on various perspectives, for example, in connectivity, devices, use, skill and their jobs. Okay. Question number 15. When is the World Day Against the Death Penalty observed every year? So 10th of October marks the World Day Against the Death Penalty, and this year the theme is focused on safeguarding the health and rights of women and girls around the world. Actually, according to the Amnesty International 2020 Death Penalty Report, more than 2/3 of the world has now abolished the death penalty in law or practice, and as many as 108 countries have completely abolished the death penalty for all crimes. And as per the report, at least 483 people were known to have been executed in the year 2020. Question number 16. Muqtada al-Sadr recently claimed victory in the parliament elections of which country? So Shia Muslim cleric Muqtada al-Sadr has claimed victory for his nationalist Saron movement in Iraq's elections. So he has announced that he aims to end US and Iranian influence over the Iraq's internal affairs. So there was also a record low official turnout of 41%. Okay. Question number 17. What is the theme of the World Arthritis Day 2021? So this day is observed every year on 12th of October to spread awareness about the existence and impact of this rheumatic and musculoskeletal disease. So this year theme was Don't Delay, Connect Today, Time to Work. And as per EULAR, that is European Alliance of Associations for Rheumatology, there are an estimated 100 million people who are undiagnosed and trying to cope with overlooked symptoms. Question number 18. Which country celebrates Indigenous Peoples Day in the month of October? So the country USA celebrates this day as a holiday in honor of the Native American people and commemorates their histories and cultures. So it started in 1977 as a day of respect at a discrimination conference, and now it has become a national holiday honored by the President Joe Biden. Correct answer is option number B. Question number 19. When is the International Day for Disaster Risk Reduction observed? So this day is observed every year on 13th of October, and the 2021 edition of the day focuses on international cooperation for developing countries to reduce their disaster risk and disaster losses. Okay. Question number 20. What is the theme of the International Day for Rural Women 2021? So this day is celebrated on 15th of October, and the day focuses on gender equality and empowering women in the rural areas. And the theme for this year is Rural Women Cultivating Good Food for All. So according to a report by United Nations, 40% of the total agricultural labor force in developing countries include women. Fine. Question number 21. Learning for People, Planet, Prosperity and Peace is the theme of which special day that is celebrated on 15th of October? So the World Students Day is observed every year on 15th of October in honor of former Indian President APJ Abdul Kalam, who was born on the same day in 1931. So this day aims to acknowledge the efforts of the President towards education and the students. And this year theme was Learning for People, Planet, Prosperity and Peace. Now coming to last question. When is the World Standards Day celebrated every year? So every year 14th of October is celebrated as the World Standards Day to commemorate all the experts who have contributed to develop the voluntary technical agreements that are published as international standards. So this year theme was Our Shared Vision for a Better World. Now let's see some of the important days from the month of September as well. First of all, every year on 3rd Saturday of September, we celebrate International Red Panda Day. Then on same day, that is 3rd Saturday of September, also we celebrate the International Coastal Cleanup Day. And this year theme was Keep Trash in the Bin and Not in Ocean. Okay. Also the International Day of Clean Air for Blue Skies is celebrated on 7th of September. Now you have to tell me at least 3 things that we celebrate on 1st of July. Please write your answers in the comment section. So that's it for today. I hope you have liked the session. These were the important news and events regarding days, themes and events. And now we'll meet again very soon with our next category. Till then, stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching. And please do not forget to subscribe to GK Today. With this, me Nuzhat Sana signing off.